Hello and welcome to my property market update for January. 2021 marks the start of the UK's journey as an independent trading nation. The vaccine programme is well underway and an end to the pandemic finally could be in sight. We enter 2021 with a strong housing market following a remarkable recovery from the first lockdown. The UK voted to leave the EU back in 2016 and officially left the trading bloc at the end of 2020. The vaccine rollout has begun. The first dose of the Pfizer vaccine was given on the 8th of December and the first dose of the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine was received on the 4th of January. With the vaccine rollout underway and a Brexit deal agreed, 2021 is looking far more optimistic despite the current lockdown we're in. The housing market has all but recovered following the forced closure of the market in the spring of 2020. New sales agreed in 2020 were 9% above 2019. The recovery was thanks to homeowners re-evaluating their housing requirements and also fueled by the stamp duty holiday. 2020 ended with a strong housing market. Demand last year was 40% higher than in 2019. And although demand has slowed since the summer, it remains at 33% higher than last December's previous peak following the general election. The number of transactions continue to rise with just over 115,000 sales recorded in November. This was 19.3% higher than November 2019 and there are an estimated 650,000 sales in the pipeline according to Rightmove. And transaction figures continue to increase as we go into this year. With demand outweighing supply, house prices rose through 2020 and nationwide reported a 7.3% annual house price growth in December. That's the highest for 6 years. House prices ended the year 5.3% above the lockdown in March when we were first struck with the pandemic. And the UK economy has been recovering from a slump when we first went into lockdown. The economy was 7.9% smaller in October than it had been pre-lockdown, and recovery in November and December is expected to have slowed as increased UK restrictions were put in place. Now we've officially left the EU and the vaccine programme is underway, we hope to see continued recovery of the economy throughout this year. The Financial Times did a survey of 90 leading economists who expect it will take at least 18 months for the UK economy to fully recover to levels pre the pandemic. 2021 will be host to a lot of housing market changes and deadlines. The stamp duty holiday is set to finish at the end of March. The same deadline for the Help to Buy scheme changes that are coming in. There's also 2% surcharges for overseas purchases that will be introduced from the 1st of April and also potential changes to the capital gains tax. The changes will no doubt impact transactions on volumes and house prices. The house price forecast for this year range from mildly positive to greatly negative, reflecting uncertainties facing the economy and the housing market. The Dataloft consensus house price forecast, based on the average from 5 leading commentators, expects a 0.9% growth this year. The Office for Budget Responsibility forecasts 1.1 million residential transactions to complete in the year up to March, and then rising to 1.279 million for March 22. If you'd like to know more about the local market where I particularly work in North Worcestershire and South Birmingham, pop a comment below and I'll get in touch with you and give you any advice or help that you need. My details should be coming up on screen now if you'd like to contact me. If you find these videos helpful and useful, please hit the like button and follow my channel so I can keep you up to date with all the various blogs I do on increasing the value of your home, how to prepare your home for a sale, and also these monthly market updates that I do. They're a national update and I will do more local ones as well. So I'm Dave from Fine & Country. Thanks again for watching. If you would like a full copy of the Premium Market Report for January, please get in touch and I will email you a digital copy.